Awesome, lovely weather here in Islamabad. I am enjoying this lovely weather. Amazing view. At my back. Look at the mountains. Mountains are looking so beautiful. Amazing. Lovely. Lovely. The range is quite phenomenal. It's really great to see this. Amazing. The birds are flying. Everything is looking so beautiful. According to the nature, according to the land, and look at this. The sky. The sun. Amazing view from here in Islamabad. Amazing. Allah's blessing, really. I'm so much happy. Keep loving nature. Keep loving your planet. And always be a positive person for your nation. It's been an incredible day. Incredible phenomena. Really. To enjoy this wonder of nature. Amazing to see everything what we can discover all around this. This is nature. The most beautiful thing I can express from Islamabad, Pakistan, the capital city of Pakistan. So this is my message. Keep loving nature, and love you all, guys. Pakistan Zindabad. Stay blessed.